It is a simple BTech level project. It is basically a smart water tank pump. What is the basic requirement is we generally forget to turn off the switch and the water is overflow. That is the water is wastage. But nowadays the water is more precious than oil, I believe so. So our student in BTech level, they organize this project, small project, but it is working fine. So let's check its working principle. Suppose it is a water tank and there is one relay is there, that relay will operate the pump. Right now the pump is not there and it is a power supply. It is connected to our AC main, the 230 volt. Then it is coming here, then it is regulated from the plus 15 and minus plus 15, plus 5 and 0 level voltage, and then there is a control level circuit. Also there is a 4 LEDs there which indicates the water levels. Let's start. Suppose there is initially there is back end is there, that means the pump will be on. This indicates the pump is on. Right now that is this container is totally empty. Now that as the pump light is on, the pump pouring some water inside this container, so gradually the water is increasing. Now you can observe that is gradually increasing. Now just after certain times the water level is so much increased that the lowest level indicator of LED is increased, right? Now still the pump is glowing, so that means another level of LED is, it is coming. Now again the another level LED will come after a few seconds, I think so. It is almost it is a 75% fill up of the pump. Water tank. It is observing that now still this pump is on, so I am pouring the water inside the container. Now I am pouring, it is about to overflow right now. Now this off. That means the water should be off by the pump. Now you can check if it is about to water flow, but this pump is automatically turned off and this light goes off. Now what will happen? After this pump is off, day-to-day life we have to consume the water. You have to consume the water by practice, so the water is gradually again decreasing. It is due to the siphon action. The water level is gradually reduced and reduced. Now you can check the water level is decreasing, so that it is again water level indicator is less than 1 mark is there. So again it is again decreasing and 2 indicator is gone off. Now again we are consuming the water, but still the pump is off conditions. So it is still off. That means the pump is still off. Now another level is gone. There is a very much lowest level of water. This red light is on. That means the very much lowest level, and still the pump is off conditions. If it is further, it is decreasing. Then after certain time, we can observe that the pump will be on. Let's take a few seconds. Right now the pump is on. That means again I am pouring the water rather than I am taking the water from here. Now again I am pouring the water. Still again the water is indication mark is there. Water level increase, and still it is a increased situation. Again pump is on. That means I cannot pour the water. For here, this is the working principle. So here it is coming. This circuit is giving the plus minus 15 plus 15 voltage ground and plus 15 voltage for that control circuit. The control is simply a detector is there, one positive 15 volt is there. So there is a little bit ionization is going on, but we can modify this scheme by means of some microprocessor or some PLC scheme, so that I can reduce the voltage level to less than 15, and it is working fine. So I can now turn off my switch. If I suppose right now, if I turn on the pump, if I am concerned about the right now, the pump is totally right now on, that means it is almost fulfilled. I can turn off also the switch. At any instant of time, if I turn on the switch, I can check what is the water level. And also I can arrange one extra bypass switch or manual turn off switch for the pump. I can manually turn on the pump to make the water level at the topmost level. So in that way I can save the energy Electrical energy also, I can save the water. This is a simple circuit done by my BTech level student. Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Nayan Chanda.
Myself Nitish Kumar.
Myself, Pritesh Kumar.
Myself King Shukmander, and it is my privilege I have learned a new circuit from my student. Thank you everyone.